Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about the complete guide to setting up a virtual data room. Let's go. What is a VDR? A VDR is a secure online repository where businesses can store and share confidential documents with third parties. VDRs are commonly used in mergers and acquisition, fundraising, and other transactions where multiple parties need to access sensitive information. Why use a VDR? There are many benefits to using a VDR, including security. VDRs offer robust security features to protect your confidential data. These features include encryption, access controls, and audit logging. Ease of use. VDRs are typically easy to use for all users. This makes them a good option for businesses of all sizes, regardless of their technical expertise. Collaboration. VDRs make it easy for multiple parties to collaborate on documents. This can help for tasks such as due diligence, contract review, documents. This can be helpful for tasks such as due diligence, contract review, and project management. Efficiency. VDRs can help to improve the efficiency for business processes. For example, VDRs can make to reduce the time and the cost of due diligence in a minute transaction. Cost savings. Videos can help businesses to save money on costs such as printing and courier fees. How to choose a video? When choosing a video, it is important to consider the following factors: features and functionality. Make sure the video offers the features and functionality that you need, such as document annotation, Q&A, and task management. Security. Make sure the video offers robust security features to protect your confidential data. Ease of use. Make sure the video is easy to use for all users, regardless of their technical expertise. Pricing. Compare the pricing of different video providers to find a solution that fits your budget. Customer support. Make sure the video provider offers good customer support. How to set up a video. Once you have chosen a video provider, you can start setting up your video. Here are the steps involved. Create an account. This will typically involve providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and company name. Set up your video structure. This will involve creating folders and subfolders to organize your documents. Upload your documents. You can upload your documents individually or in bulk. Set user permissions. This will determine who can access to your documents and what they can do with them. Invite your users. Once you have set up user permissions, you can invite users to your video. Start using your video. Once you have invited users, you can start sharing documents with them and collaborating on tasks. That's all for today. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.